Hey guys, this is Ishmael. After making two videos on the myMTN app, there's been a major update which has some few additions that I would want us to take a look at in this particular video. So without talking further, let's go ahead and then launch the app. So I'm launching it on my phone, and as you can see on the dashboard, we have, I think this is almost close to what we had in the previous version. You see your airtime, you see your data, as well as the duration you spent on your last call. And then at the very bottom, you realize that there's broadband. So broadband is one of the additions in on the myMTN app. So once you go ahead and then launch the broadband section, it takes you to broadband part where you see your account linked to your MTN number, as well as you can purchase data over here. So this happens to be for people who own the Turbo Net or either the fiber, MTN fiber, as well as any of the MTN broadband packages. So once you own any of that, you can actually select your number from here. That is if you have multiple numbers linked to it, and then you go ahead and then purchase data. You also see your balance here as well. So that's what you see with regard to the broadband. Now let's come back. Now still on the dashboard, you realize that at the left hand bottom corner we have a help icon over here, which gives you some information on how you could get help assistance with the app, as well as how to reach MTN contact centers, and maybe even where to find a store. So there's contact us, find a store near you, and then frequently asked questions, and then you have a couple more options available down in there. So that's with the help section. Now let's come back to home, and I think basically these are some of the additions that you see with the current version of the myMTN app. Let me come to the menu option over here, and I think these are basically the same options that was available in the previous one. And let me just come back here and go to buy. So buy, you get to purchase either airtime or data, which was I think available in the previous version. And then you also have send, which allows you to send either airtime as well as data to others. And then you have just for you, which also has a couple of options or offers that you can purchase from. Now let's go to the Momo option, and I'm going to enter my PIN. Of course, this is going to be off camera, and let me just wait for my verification code, and should be in within some few seconds. All right, so I have that in. Now at the MTN Momo options, I think these options were available in the previous one. I think what has been added now is the cash out option as well as approval. So with the previous version, you didn't have the option for cash out as well as approvals on the app, but this has been added. To cash out, in case you want to cash out, maybe withdraw from a merchant, you can go ahead and then allow cash out, and then you can use the option to withdraw, as well as approvals in case you are making any purchases on online stores or with the app, or maybe it's different apps. You can also use the pending approvals or approvals to accept purchases that you actually or transactions that you're actually embarking on. So these are, I think, the only additions that I see in here. Aside that, I don't really see anything new. The MTN Momo Pay, which is at the very top this time around, allows you to generate a QR code for payments and the rest, and I think that's just about it. Now what I wish could have been added to this version, or maybe future version, has to do with transferring money to other network. Now when you come to transfer money, you only have non-mobile money user, mobile money user, as well as scheduled transfer. You don't have the option to transfer to other networks. So that's one of the options I'm personally looking forward to and future updates of this particular app. But aside that, that is just about it with the current updates. So we have the cash out as well as approvals, as well as the options with the broadband, where you get to see your broadband details, as well as you'll be able to purchase data over there. So basically this is just about it for this video. But before I end, let's go ahead and take today's startup spotlight. On today's startup spotlight, let's take a look at Curtis Smith, who happens to be an amazing fashion designer and does a lot of amazing designs for both males as well as females. So in case you're interested in any amazing designs done for you, or interested in the design showing on your screen, look no further. Visit Curtis Smith's Instagram handle at curtissmith_official, or contact the phone number showing on your screen, and you can also send an email to the email being displayed on your screen. Do well to let her know I directed you there. That will be it for now. Thank you very much. Alright, so that's the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. In case you are new to this channel, kindly go ahead and hit on the subscribe button, and then don't forget to hit on the bell so that anytime there's a new video, you get to see it too. My name is e.t.c. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.